Let's talk about this splitter real quick from Racebred. All right, so if you look out here, it looks very minimal. There's nothing sticking out, but if you look way inside, you can see how freaking far this comes out, right? And it's mounted with PCI brackets. You see that? It's actually mounted to the frame rail right there, so it's absolutely solid. You can hang off this, you can step on it, nothing's gonna happen. On this side, we got 1, 2, 3. I don't know what you call these stud-looking things, but they're pretty hefty. And this is just wood. I'm not sure if it's birch. I haven't looked at what they use to make this, but it's super stiff. And then they have this laminate on top. And then back here, you can see the intake hose. This actually goes to the front air duct right here. See that? And then it goes all the way up to the capsule intake that I have. And I got a bunch of the Hotsport mounts right here that I got from JHB. Also black to match everything under here, but look how close this is to the fluid damper. Pretty crazy.